Descriptive Text by Group 3.
Explanation. Descriptive text is a text that describes a particular object in detail. In this text, you will describe the object clearly. It can basis color, shape, smell, and so in descriptive text is a text that explains what a person place or this is like often from giving a visual appreciation strong the use of objective and adverbs.
Generic structure. Every text must consist of several parts that make it up. The structure of descriptive text consists of three parts, namely identification, description, and conclusion. Identification. Identification is the initial part of the descriptive text which contains an introduction to the name of the object, the meaning of the name, location, history of birth, or other general description of the object being described. Description, which provides detail about the condition of the object, starting from its cycle form, size, location, atmosphere, and others. Conclusion or impression, which contains the author's conclusion and impression of the object of description.
Language feature. The following are linguistic rules regarding descriptive text. 1. Use nouns according to the topic being described, such as hospitals, house, my car, etc. 2. Using phrases that contain nouns, such as he is a kind-hearted, lively, and so on. 3. Contains adjective that describe something, such as 2 diligent students, 3 white socks, and so on. 4. Contains a transitive verb to provide subject information, such as the student is wearing a brown uniform. 5. Contains verb or feelings or opinions with the aim of expressing the writer's personal view on a subject, such as I think it's a smart chicken, I'm sure the clothes are cheap, etc. 6. Contain adverbs to provide additional information about an object, such as fast or slow, at the coffee shop, at the hospital, etc. 7. Contains figurative language in the form of a smile or metaphor, such as her skin is pure white like with cotton.
Sample of text. Teacher. Identification. Not all teachers at school are fierce and annoying. For example, Mrs. Sari, a mathematics teacher who is an idol for him. All students will always look forward to the class hours. Description. Mrs. Sari is very patient and speaks softly when she teaches. At the end of class, he will give a quiz to test the extent of our understanding of the material. If true, he treats all students to a glass of orange ice in the canteen. Even though she is 50 years old, Mrs. Sari still loves her job. He always smiled, responded to jokes, and even listened to the students' complaints. Not surprisingly, Mrs. Sari's face looks youthful because of the positive aura that radiates from her heart. Gray hair and wrinkles in his eyes were not visible. Conclusion. When we graduate, we agreed to buy Mrs. Sari a souvenir. Mrs. Sari is an unsung hero. Hopefully, there will be a successor to Mrs. Sari so that mathematics lessons will be more enjoyable.
Question and answer. Number 1. Write this descriptive text expressed carefully.
My father name is Abu Salman. My father is of medium build, around 54 years old. His hair is graying white. On his chin there were traces of white braid shaving on his chin. My father's skin was olive. My father's face is typical Batak with a strong jaw and a sharp but rather large nose. His ears were sharp black with thick eyebrows. At first glance, my father looks like an Indian. The structure of the description text above is A. Identification, B. Conclusion, C. Description, D. Context. Answer A. Identification. Because it contains a general description or introduction of the character. Number 2. What is the main topic of this descriptive text? Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Located in the Himalaya, is a popular destination for climbers from around the globe. A. The Himalaya region. B. Mountain climbing. C. The tallest mountain. D. Global destination. Answer C. The tallest mountain. Because the text discusses the description of Mount Everest, which is able to attract the attention of climbers from all over the world because of the height of the mountain. Number 3. Angkor Wat was first a Hindu temple, a main of Buddhist temple complex in Cambodia. It is the largest religious monument in the world. The temple was built by the Hammer King Suryavarman II in the early 12th century in Yosadapura, the capital of the Hammer Empire, as this temple of eventual Muslim. It is dedicated to Vishnu. It is designated to reference Hammer Meru, form of the fish in Hindu mythology within the moon, and has an altar wall which is 3 to 7 kilometers long. It has 3 rectangular galleries which reaches above the neck. At the center of the temple stands queen shape of tower. What is the monologue about? A. Gallery complex. B. Buddhist mythology. C. Cambodia. A. Angkor Wat. Answer A. Angkor Wat, because the description text explains about Angkor Wat.
Fourth, pay attention to the following paragraph. My mother's name is Wulandari. Her face always seems like the moon. It fits perfectly with its name, which means shining moon. His face is round with a brow, like ends in a row. My mother's skin is brown, typical of Japanese woman. He was not tall, not short. His hair is wavy black. The object described in the paragraph above is A. Me, B. Wulandari, C. Moon, D. N. The answer B. Wulandari, because in this paragraph the author describes the figure of his mother, Wulandari. What is the primary topic of this descriptive text? Venice, Italy is a unique city built on the network of canals. It's famous for its beautiful gondola breeds and historic architecture. A. Italian cuisine. B. Urban capitals. C. Water-based transportation. D. Tourist attraction in the Venice. The answer D. Because it explains tourist attraction in Italy.
Thank you. Hopefully, the knowledge that has been conveyed can be useful.